do you know what? Absolutely well done to the three of you in Kelly's category, Zach, Charlotte and Sienna. All three of you, generally, what a fantastic week. I've seen so much development in this category over the past few weeks, and honestly, all three of you need to be really proud. Sienna, you have just come out of your shell so well and so quickly. You need to be proud of that. Zach, to see you find yourself, see you as an artist, you're so ready, man. You're just so ready, vocally, visually, everything. So impressive. And of course, Charlotte, those runs, that passion, that everything that you offer to the table, it's just so raw and special. What a lineup. Guys, this is going to be so difficult for Kelly to decide her final two, but all of you should be so proud. Semi-finals, well done. Hey, well done to everyone in Louise's category. Dan, Zoe and Molly, I think you really need to be proud of yourselves. Like, from everything I've seen on tonight's performances and everything you've done so far in this journey, Zoe, I think the fact that you started pushing yourself vocally and really, we've seen that the last few weeks, you've come on so much, and I'm just so honoured to have you in the process. Dan, yourself, the challenges you've set yourself with your videos and everything like that, you should be so proud of yourself, buddy, how far you've come. And of course, Molly, wow, I have to say, you really have found yourself this season as an artist, and it is such an honour and blessing to watch. I'm so proud of you. Honestly, everyone in Louise's category, you need to be proud of yourselves. What a lineup, and this is going to be very tough for Louise to make that decision. Hey, well done, girls. I'm so proud of all of you in my category. Rachel, Katie and Lacey. I have to be honest, I think you've all done amazing this week. I'm so proud of you. It's been an amazing journey. I've seen so much blossoming. Don't get me wrong, it's been more challenging for us this time round with the lockdown to actually get into the swing of things. But girls, you've been incredible, and I'm so proud of you being my final three in the semi-finals. Unfortunately, I have to make this decision this week to only take two of you to the finals. But girls, you got to be proud. This is tight competition, and the fact that you're all here at the semi-finals shows and proves your point as an artist. You're always going to be part of this network. Fantastic performances tonight. Well done to you all. Mwah.